Alright, this is going to be another in the Campmaster series, tips videos. As some of you know, classes are getting ready to start again at the Pathfinder School. That being said, I want to talk about daily maintenance for your well-being. Every class is a little bit different. One basic class is not like the next, one intermediate class is not like the next, so on and so forth. If you're doing anything in the survival series, those are going to be a higher paced class than the other classes. All of the classes are going to be different, like I said, based on the weather, resources available, the speed of the students at picking things up, and there are a number of factors. Let's just say that. So, that being said, you need to take care of yourself. Dave and the instructors and myself will all be looking out for you. But here's what you can do to help yourself. First and foremost, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Dehydration and not being able to walk with your gear are the two most common things that take people out of classes, and that's all of the classes. The basic class, you're going to be moving a lot. It's pretty much early morning to late at night, high-paced stuff. So you're going to have to hydrate. We're going to watch out for you. We're going to remind you to drink. We're going to remind you to eat. We're going to do all that stuff, but you need to take care of yourself also. So that being said, drink more water than you think you need. You're not sitting on your couch watching the game or anything like that. You're going to be constantly moving. You're going to be constantly carrying gear. You're going to be constantly gathering resources. For the other classes, we've got a medicinal and edible plant class coming up. It's the same thing. Take care of yourself at that. You're going to have more time at that class to feed yourself and take care of yourself and do things like that because it's not a survival class. The intermediate class is also coming up. That's a fairly high-paced class. And you'll be traveling longer distances and things like that than you do in the basic class. What else do we have coming up? I think that's really about it for right now. Basic, intermediate, and the wild edible class. So hope to see you there. Hope to see you in the woods. In recap, take care of yourself. If you've got any questions, any problems, anything like that, talk to the instructors, talk to Dave, talk to myself, and we will advise you on how to take care of whatever problem you're having. So, see you at the school, and thanks for subscribing, thanks for your views, thanks for your support. If you want to, I don't know, support the channel. I hate saying stuff like that. If you want to support the channel, there are a few ways down in the description box. My channel's not monetized, and that's mainly because I'm not a big enough fish in the YouTube sea to have it monetized. So, that being said, go down and use my link, buy some stuff from SRO. There's other stuff down there, and that's really about it. See you on the woods. Bye.